In this guide, you'll learn how to fix ChatGPT account has been deleted or deactivated error. Let's get started. One common cause for this issue is a browser cache problem. To resolve it, start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. So launch your browser, click on three dots, head over to the option settings. Now navigate to the option privacy and security. Click on delete browsing data. Check in for all of these options. Select the time frame and then click on delete data. This might fix your issue. If this solution didn't work out for you, you can contact OpenAI support. You can email them at support@openai.com explaining the issue or visiting their help center for assistance. If the browser version of ChatGPT is still causing issue, you can switch to ChatGPT app. For that, launch Microsoft Store, search for the app ChatGPT. After app appears, click on install or get and download it. Now you can try to log into your account. This might fix your issue. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.